Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, you can find me on Instagram, and the link to the YouTube is youtube.com/amercat, or check out the title card at the end. This is the unboxing of the February Birchbox. The theme is Follow Your Heart, and it's all about finding joy in whatever you do, whether it's life, love, work, hobbies, just finding joy in things. And these products will help me find joy because I love makeup and I find joy in it. So let's get into the box and find out what all the cool products are. So hey, we're getting into the February Birchbox. Again, the theme is Follow Your Heart. And I love the card has all these cool things that you can do to find joy in your life, like sleep in, do a face mask, go for a hike, take a road trip, call your mom, skip the gym, learn something new. One of my personal favorites, sip champagne. Yes, paint your nails, meditate, write a book, sing in the shower. My neighbors probably hate that. I do it anyway. Ask for that raise. Look up at the stars, give someone a hug, be fashionably late. If you live in LA, that's a given. I don't anymore, but hey, it was given when I did. Spritz on some perfume, pet a puppy, or a kitty cat if that's what you have. Light a candle, try a red lip, which is what I'm doing here. Whatever brings you joy in life, love, and work. And this box is supposed to inspire you to do that. Follow your heart. So, with doing that, we have the Balance Me Wonderful Eye Cream. Get under those eyes. Don't get any wrinkles. So, lift it up, put it on before bed. Put it on before your makeup. Then we have a product I am excited to try. I've seen my gal that I like. It's Bad Gal. Saw my gal that I like. She's not a bad gal, though. Paige Mobley from last cycle of America's Next Top Model, pimping this on her Instagram, and it is Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. I love pretty much every single Benefit mascara, so I'm so super stoked to follow my heart and try this. Lord & Berry, we got a brow pencil. Who doesn't love brows? I'm a little jealous of Olympic figure skater Adam Rappon's brows. Maybe I can use this to get some. Strobe Cream by MAC. I love that MAC has joined the Birchbox party. Yes! Oh my gosh, it's so great. And then finally, we have number 4, Super Comb Prep and Protect. It's supposed to protect from heat damage, UV rays, all that fun stuff. So, those are all the products in the February Birchbox. I'm going to go, I don't know, I seriously think I might just copy this and put it on my vision board, because usually I have a giant beauty folder, that binder that I keep all these cards and stuff in. But I just might make a copy and put this side on my vision board because it's so cool. With that being said, follow me, all these cool places, and you might have just heard my neck pop when I did that. Holy crap. Follow me all these cool places, and I will see you next time.